So hey guys, what is up? Welcome to my first editing tutorial. Today I'm going to show you everything I do to edit my videos from A to Z. I edit on CapCut using mobile, and you can do the same. You don't need anything else. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. As you can see, I've edited all my videos in CapCut. You can do the same. Add your clips and make sure the clips you use must be non-copyrighted, and use those clips which you know you can add value to. After bringing the clips into CapCut, you have to crop them because we are going to make a short form video and not a long form video. The footage used was about 3 minutes and I cut it to 1 minute. Cut out all the unnecessary parts. Once you are done with cropping the clips, the next step is to increase the speed of the clips to make them look smoother and easier for the viewers to watch. After doing this, I add the music. You can use any music, but I suggest you to use non-copyrighted music or music that you create yourself. The music I make is usually highly edited and I make it myself to avoid copyright. Also make sure that the music has a beat drop at the end because we have to match the last clip with the beat drop and add the troll face effect. After this, I change my aspect ratio to 3:4 and zoom in the clips, and then after that I go to the first clip and apply this adjust setting, and I apply it to all clips afterwards. And then I go to the last clip and freeze the frame of the last clip according to the beat drop, and I adjust the music, and then I adjust the colors of the last clip, last picture you can say, with these adjustments. And then I add the troll face overlay. You can use any troll face overlay you want, but for this edit I decided to go for the mind blown troll face. You can find these troll faces on Pinterest by searching troll face or skull face, and you will find many. After adding the troll face, I transform it into size 56 and move it to the bottom middle of the page. Then I go into the animations of the troll face and set the animation to swing bottom, and I keep it at 0.4 seconds. You can keep it at 0.3 seconds too if you want. Now copy the troll face, duplicate it, and move it to the bottom, and then crop it to 1 second. And then we add 2 keyframes at the starting and ending of the 1 second one, and at the second keyframe we have to increase its size to about 70 and move it above. Decrease its opacity to 0 at the second keyframe, and then duplicate it 2 times and keep them aligned perfectly. Now go to the animations of the main video and add the shake-in effect, and keep it for about 0.4 second or 3 second depending on your choice. After that you go to the effects and add the rebound swing effect. Now you have to crop the added effect to about 1 second to match it with the overlay, and then add a keyframe at the starting and ending and do the same. You keep the size shape intensity at the max at the first keyframe and keep everything 0 at the second keyframe. Then duplicate the effect and replace it to shake effect, and do the same, maximum at the start and minimum or 0 at the end. Also you have to select all objects for the effects. After the troll face edit is done, now you have to go to the starting and add the text. It can be anything, other skydiving, others parkour, depends on your topic. You can go for any font you want, but I usually go for the bangers one. Also you can go for any color you would like, it's your choice. And then go to the animations and choose fade in at the start and fade out at the ending. Keep the fade in at 0.6 seconds and the fade out at 0.9 seconds. Move the font to the top and stretch it to before the last clip. Use the same font for the last clip, but in the effects you can use any effect, but I'm using this one. At this point we are about 30% done. Yes, you heard me right, only 30%. Now's the time we start adding value. I suggest you to color grade your videos to make them look more cinematic. You can add keyframes, zoom effects if the objects in the videos are smaller. In this way it will be easier for the viewers to watch these videos. At this point you can do anything. This is the creative part. You can add arrows, you can add circles, you can add Minecraft heart effects, you can add memes, you can add sounds. The sky's the limit. Now I'm going to share some examples from my previous and most popular videos so you can know what I'm truly talking about. Example 1. This is a clip from one of my last videos, and in this clip the guy uses magic to make his phone levitate and come back to his hand. So I thought, why not add the sound of the Thor's hammer? So I did that. Example 2. This is the most popular video on my channel, and in this particular clip I saw that the VFX stop sign is hitting that guy, and I thought of adding the Minecraft heart losing effect because it looked like he was losing his health or something. keep in mind that the last step is very important, and if you get it right, the viewers will love your video. The next step is the most important, and it is to add your voiceover. I usually use my own voice, but you can use AI voice as well. You can add the voiceover 1 or 2 times, depends on your preferences, but the main goal of the voiceover is to add value to the videos and to connect with your viewers. The next and final step is to add your overlay that says your channel's name, and splice it to overlay and set the opacity to 51%. When your edit is done, the timeline should look something like this. It takes me around 3 to 5 hours to edit my videos, but if you're a beginner, it can take you longer, so don't worry about that. Good things take time. Now we are going to export our video and keep the settings like this. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to press that like button and smash that subscribe button. If you guys want my editing pack, then get into 50,000 subscribers and I will give it away to you all for free. That's all. Thank you for watching.